Hi, good morning everyone. Um, uh, so this is the room that I did and my mate. So this is fully finished, the ceiling, the walling, and the woodwork as well. Yeah, so this is our finished job. This room. So right now, I'm splitting to the other room. So I'm doing this room, same procedure, doing the ceiling, the walls, and the woodworks. So right now I'm finished the ceiling and the walls. So that's finished, and I'm doing right now the woodworks. So after that, I'm giving you an update once I'm finished the woodworks. Thanks guys, please subscribe and like my channel. Bye.